We have a new appliance that is very important. It has warning labels. How do I plug it in? Does it not even power? It's not even powered. Bro. Insert the cylinder here, bottom first. All right. I think the people need better zoom. I think people need better zoom. All right, so how does this even work? It's got like a hex nut. I don't even know. If this explodes, it's not my fault. Okay, how do we do this? Insert the cylinder here, bottom first. Okay. I better read something before I do this. All right. Instructions. Instructions. Pull out the carbonating bottle before inserting. Okay, good, good. Glad we got that. How do I do that? How do I pull the bottle out? It's like stuck in there. I push this. Guys, it just says pull the bottle out. I'm just going to pull on it really hard, I guess. I don't know what else to do. Okay. Easy clap. Remove the plastic cover. Pull off the cap. Pull open the back cover. Raise the pink handle. Insert cylinder bottom first. Lower the handle to lock. But what about where the little ring goes? I guess I don't care. Doesn't. Okay. Boom. I'm going to go wash this out real fast so that I make sure it's not like full of cancer. I'm going to need to get water anyway, so I'll be right back with some fresh water. So now the reason I got this was I wanted to sign up for I did sign up for the pre-order for the Canna drink machine. And I was like, well, I don't know what the ship date of that. Oh, I didn't get enough water, dude. All right, I'm gonna have to go for round 2 of the filtered water. So we don't know when that ships. And I was like, it's a bummer, but you know, at this new apartment, I'm just drinking the LaCroix all the time. And I always thought that SodaStream sounded really dumb, but then I was like, dude, I'm buying so many cans of this stuff. How much worse could it be to just do it? And we could make our own. I have 0-calorie root beer. I'm sure that's delicious. And many other flavors. We'll go through the flavors in a second. But the Canna drink machine sounds baller. I can't wait till that happens. All right, so maybe this is too much. Putting CO2 into the beverages, that's a good idea, Casey. Casey, why didn't they hire you as head of ideas? Right? And then, okay, and then it's actually the law that you have to drink your soda before it goes flat, right? Because flat sodas are disgusting and they also have let their carbon back into the atmosphere. And it also means that you can't be rude and burp out your soda. Okay, this is all... See, God just wanted us to figure out the right plan. Oh, okay, there's a little wavy line on there of how far to fill it up. Okay. So, now in the instructions, no need to screw, I beg to differ. Insert bottleneck into snap lock, push it up and then back. So you pull their hair up and then back. Okay. Whoa, okay, that's working. So now, the last bubbly step. Firmly push and hold for 1 second. 3 times for standard fizz, 5. Oh, we got to go strong fizz. Strong fizz. 1, 2. They just don't want it flowing everywhere. Oh, overflow. Okay, we'll do 6. All right. Row. I didn't know. I always thought carbonating things was like a long process that took a long time. Let me just... Row. Listen. It was that easy the whole time to get the carbon out of the atmosphere. All right, so now we're going to flavor it. Oh, let's... first we'll drink it just without flavor. Oh, I should get a spoon. I have a spoon. Okay, it tastes like a carbonated beverage, but the carbonation, it doesn't feel as baked in. Like, it feels like this is going to go flat in like 2 minutes. I don't know how else to describe it. But it's actually not bad. Like, this is better than LaCroix already. Okay. Diet root beer. 0 calories. Let's go. There's also like lemon, Willy Wonka lemon pills. There's like all sorts of things. Can I carbonate it more? I mean, I can keep yanking the handle. Hey, this smells like root beer flavored chai juice. Okay. How much do I put in? Let's see. Drip. Oh boy. Mmm. Maybe I should have gotten the non-sugar-free root beer. Let's put some more flavor in. I feel like this is going to be too strong. Okay, guys, this is just better than having a bunch of LaCroix in the refrigerator. Okay, let's talk about the other flavors. Okay. I have the aforementioned 0 calorie root beer. I have Diet Cola. Why did I get so much Diet? I have 2 Diet Colas. Maybe they came with it. I have 0 calorie strawberry watermelon and Diet Dr. Pete, which I guess is probably like Dr. Pepper. I have nothing with sugar in it. This is a travesty. And then I have Bubbly Drops Lemon Bubbly Natural Flavor Essence. Okay, so this is what we're rocking while we game. It's not baked in. Yeah, I mean, but I feel like if I'm just like gonna have some and I can have whatever flavor I want, it's not too bad. I don't know. It's better than I expected it to be. Let me put it that way. I expected it to take a lot longer to carbonate, and I expected the carbonation to be weaker. So it's the reason there can't be a home version of the industrial kind. I don't know. I don't know how that works. I mean, the fact that this goes flat faster probably doesn't matter because you just push the handle a couple times and it's not flat anymore. All right, flavor number 2. Strawberry watermelon. Is it sort of comparable to the fizziness of hard cider? I don't drink cider enough to know. I mean, that's what I drink when I go to breweries, but I go to breweries like once every 10 years. All right. 2 tablespoons of watermelon. Let's put a little more. It's interesting. I wouldn't say it tastes good, but like LaCroix doesn't taste good either, so there you go. Okay. We're gonna shut off the primary cam or the secondary cam now. We may bring it back sometime, but you can see the thing in the background there. Okay, let's do some blocks. I was checking out on the achievements who has finished the game, and it's like 14. Actually, let's go back and refresh it. 15% of players have reached the end, which is kind of low. In the old days, the rule would be that 25% of people get to the end of your game, typically, and you wanted to improve that. But maybe it's a long game, right? Or maybe people get tired of the puzzles. I don't know. But you can see this sort of like hyperbolic curve situation here. So we are, I don't know, we're like somewhere here. We're in the 25% somewhere. Oh man, I'm on the wrong monitor. Let's try the, hey, okay. Enter the Parabox. Why is no sound happening? Oh, there we go. Okay, we have not done anything on this screen at all. %15 is high for Zoomers playing puzzles. What is the percent that the 100% achievement should be? I don't know. Like, that's a different story. I don't really. Whoa, look at all the oranges. Okay. So I have 2 moves, left and right. Oh, I can't go left. I have 1 move. Okay. So this is weird because I see. So the only time that I could get to that orange, I'm locked in, is the point. And I can't push left because that opening is not. Oh, I can do this. Wait, what? And so now I just need to get to the exit, and that's going to be challenging. Something tells me I wasn't supposed to do that yet. Oh, what? Okay, it's Patrick's Parabox, guys. It's all the puzzles are fucking trivial. Okay. Okay, maybe it starts to get harder here. So here, I need to get in somehow. It's fucking Patrick's Parabox. What do you want? Okay. So here I can, that's kind of interesting. I want to line them up like a slot machine. Okay. Reset. Reset. How do I push up from here? Lol. I don't understand what's... I don't actually understand what's happening here. Like, why is me pushing on the middle making things come out the left? It doesn't make any goddamn sense. I mean, I'm sure it does, but whatevs. Am I going to check out Hyperbolica? I don't know. Is there any reason to? Like, just because somebody put something on a hyperbolic plane does not mean it's interesting to me. The question is it actually good? You know what I'm saying? And I have heard literally nothing about it in terms of whether it's good. What the fuck am I playing here, guys? Okay. Whoops. So here, like, it's Patrick's Parabox. What am I doing? What am I doing with my life? Now this one seems harder. Okay, I think I fucked that up. But, so now we have an actual puzzle, which is, how do I get into the goddamn thing? It's like I actually need one more block. Oh, yeah. Right. Fuck. How do I get this down? Oh no, I just do it there. Okay. Yeah, when games don't explore the idea very well, it annoys me. And if there's one thing that I've learned, is that most designers are too lazy to understand exploring the idea. Like, it's a great disappointment. Like with what happened. Because, you know, both with the games that I made and running stuff like the experimental gameplay workshop at the GDC for those years and all that, I was trying to communicate something about how you do this. And a lot of people fucking ignore it. I don't know what else to say. Like, I've given so many speeches about this and whatever. And not like everybody should be listening to me, but then, like, if you don't listen to that stuff, then it should be because you know better and you're doing better stuff. And it just doesn't seem to be how it is. People seem to get the trippy idea, and then they think that that is enough. They think the trippy idea makes the game good, and it does not. The trippy idea is the starting point for making the game good. I've played both Yugo Puzzle and Elekhead. Okay, this is like the other one, but you go both ways. Okay, now what's my degree of freedom here? It doesn't seem like I can do anything, but... So that's 2 in. I don't think the cycle length could possibly change. Yeah. So like what's my degree of freedom? At first glance, I got nothing. Oh, except I can walk out. Oh, no, I can shift it by 1 each time, right? So I walk out. And then I push in. Like, I feel like I'm supposed to, like, get out, right? And then go over here. See, that doesn't do anything. Hang it, bro. I mean, that is basically what you're supposed to do. Let's be clear. You're supposed to use this in some way. And you can only use it going out. You can't use it to go in. So it's, okay, so this is 2 in. Now it's there. Oh, yeah, no. That involves pushing a block each time. Okay, there we go. See, this one's cool. Because it took, I had to actually think about it a little bit. Okay, oh no, it's 2D. The fuck am I looking at? This is too complicated. This is not nice. Okay, it doesn't appear to be any flips, which is weird, because that one down there looks like it gotta be flipped. But maybe not. Maybe that just is why we have to go in the cycle. So if this one... Oh, it doesn't have to be flipped. It has to be brought over to the left. And then that one has to be brought down. Okay, so my control box is just here. Okay, and if I push, right? Push. Okay, now the problem is I need to actually get this one out. And then bring this one back around. Okay, except, of course, oh dang it. Hang on. Got to bring that one over again. I mean, this is a little bit cute, but I don't know. So it's not as, I mean, it is a complicated puzzle, but you just kind of do it because the execution's not hard. Okay. So we got a 1-bagger in here. We can push a block.
Oh, and I can't go. Okay, anyway. So what happens if I insert this? What am I trying to do? Oh, I'm trying to just get that there. Right? I mean, I didn't even know that was what was going to happen. I just did what the puzzle obviously wanted me to do because it's Patrick's Parabox. Okay. So, oh, that goes that way. How do I get it out? What is that for? Why is this a clone Dracula instead of a real Dracula? I don't even know. Okay, so, you know, the funny bunny part is we need this one block that we can't have. That's why it's a clone Dracula, so it's not blocked if there's a block. Yeah, my soda's half flat now. I don't know why they insist on, like, putting it in the bottle. Obviously, the real Chad just puts his drink right in there. I guess you worry about the tip getting contaminated. But I mean, it's SodaStream, right? Like, okay, it helps. It helps if you have a little bit of a cover for it, but yummy. Okay. Now, what do we do here? I feel like what I was doing was kind of good. Okay, the problem is there's no pushing from this side because there's a frickin' wall there. So why is there one space instead of that being blobbed, right? Like, I could push this, but I can't go after I do that. So that block is kind of lost. Like, I feel like I should figure out something to do with that. Okay, wait. What about this? Okay, this is kind of interesting, actually. Right? Yeah, okay, that's why it's a clone Dracula, so I can't just walk and go back in. Okay, so I mean, obviously this I kind of don't understand in the rule set why does it prefer those guys squeezing in as opposed to my block on this side going in? That's a question. The other question I have is why is 2 more blocks not enough to do that? To do what I want? Oh, because, right, okay, I need, so this would be if I had them rotated around the other way. It would be an, well, no, because it shouldn't matter. Wait, what? Bing. We got it. Yeah. Easy clap. Easy clap. Okay, I just was slow, guys. I was slow. I admit I was slow. Now, we need 3 blocks. 2 of them gotta be that, and then right, and the thing is we gotta push one of them in from the outside, and we can't. Okay, well, I don't understand. Anyway, right, so one's got to be there. And then, well, I would say probably this guy has to be here, but then we can't do our trick of walking out because it's blocked, which I think is the point. Anyway, if we set up our thing here, right? Can't we set up our thing here? Doesn't this? Oh no, because they don't. And this is gonna infinity, right? Yeah, that's Sag. So then these go outside and they just go there. Oh, easy clap. Never mind. Never mind, dude. Okay, I was slow. It's fine. It's fine. Here we go. How many hours into the game? Like 237 hours in. Okay. So now we need to set up a tunnel that goes okay. So those are kind of empty block skis. What tunnel am I trying to do? Oh God, guys, there's a flip. There's a flip. Easy flip. what tunnel am I trying to do? Like where? So that's really my only control is pushing down, and then I get to remove one block. Okay. So then we need this one to go up, or that one to go up. We need like a vert flip. So like, that's nice. Oh, and then it connects out, right? No, because it's not centered. I see. So I can walk into this one, and then I have to get out on the right and go around. That's what this is for. So when I walk into this one, it's got to be flipped. And then the other one, I'm confused about that because it's also got to be flipped, but then I can't get in it. I don't know. Anyway. Oops. So like, if this one were flipped right now, from how I did it, now I can't get in. Oh, so I have to Patrick flip myself. Anyway. So I go on the Patrick train, and now I got out of the Patrick train, but I can't. See, that one would be blocked if it were flipped. It is connected to where we want it to be, but that don't help me. Right? Okay, wait. If I ride the Patrick train again, okay. No, I need that other one below me and mirrored from how it is. Because I get out here and then I get in that. So you got to switch cars on the Patrick train is what it is. You got to switch cars on the Patrick train. So, see, this level's cool. I like this. I just wish it hadn't taken so long to get here. Okay. So we need that one to be below and flipped. I think it's got to be one more. Let's see. Okay, so we ride the Patrick train over to the station. I get out. I get in. I guess it, yeah. And then we ride the Patrick train to here. See, that's a cool level. Club soda, that's disgusting. What, have you got malaria? What's your problem? See, that was a cool level. That, if this game got to that more directly and interestingly, I think people would be raving about it more than they are. It just doesn't, it doesn't know what's interesting and what's not. Or it's not quite right. It's like, okay, imagine there's a stage like a magician. If you've seen really good magicians, like people who are, you know, I don't know, like Shin Lim or somebody like that, who's like really skilled. And then just imagine taking away all the stagecraft and the presentation and just like, oh, look, I do some shit with cards. And it's the same shit with cards. It's just way less entertaining and compelling because the emphasis isn't there, right? That's how this feels like. And like, you know, in Magic, there's a rule, never do the same trick twice. And this game does the same trick like 17 times. Club soda is not tonic water, I see. Well, have I read the AMD 64 architecture manual? No. Shinlin puts on a great performance. Yeah, I agree. I saw a show in Vegas a month ago. It was good. I like Eric Chen's ribbon performance, though, better than any of Shin Lim's stuff. If Eric Chen makes a whole show as polished as his ribbon performance, that dude's going to be a fucking beast. Have I seen Penn and Teller in Vegas? No, but I want to sometime. This year I saw Shin Lim and Piff the Magic Dragon. Here, we can have Mr. Piffles hang out by the SodaStream. Stay, Mr. Piffles. Okay. So it's going to push. I get in green, but this is the same. It's like, this is the same as that other level. You see what I'm saying? Except, you know, it's trying to advertise things, which is fine, but it's the same as that other level that I played. It's just sideways. Or not even. It's like more trivial and sideways. Okay. Yeah, look up here. Let me show you guys. because he does 2 performances. Look up the America's Got Talent one, the one where he's super nervous. This one. I think this one, right? Yeah. I'll paste the link. You can watch this on YouTube. I think that's the right one. Yeah. All right, no spoilers. That is one of the best magic performances that I've seen, like, ever. What camera do I use? Sony A7 III. It is the camera that Choco Taco used. So I can kind of back pressure the, oh yeah, I got to do it this way. I got to put it in the room and then I push. Oh, that's the wrong one. Nah. Then I do that. See, this is cute. It's another little train car situation. All right, we're going to try Dr. Pete. I mean, it sounds kind of like Dr. Pete's a pedophile, but we'll see if his soda's any good. Dr. Pete teaches at an elementary school and tries to teach classes about sexuality all the time at his elementary school. Was that the molecular beverage printer? No, this was the sad SodaStream that I got because the molecular beverage printer doesn't exist yet. Is this actually, am I supposed to fill this up to a certain amount? No, I am not cool enough to have a prototype of the molecular beverage printer, if such a thing even exists. No more tea. You know, it's weird. I just haven't been in the mood to do tea here. I think it's just the layout of the apartment. It's like I have to go into the kitchen. I brought even my teapot and stuff, and I've made tea one time. All right. Empty, empty. Okay. I mean, what? I don't know really what this has to do with any of the others. Oh, God. Bro. Wait. I can't be square? Okay. Oh, but now right, okay. Never mind. This sort of ruins what I was trying to do. I thought it had to be square. I was trying to make it square. That not really necessary. All right. So again, we do this. We do, at least I don't think it's, I don't know if it's necessary, guys. Okay. So yeah, this doesn't really work what I was trying to do because I need to. Yeah, I'll just push that there, I guess, right? No! Oh, right. Okay, I have to do all this on this side. Wait. Oh yeah, because we need to be there. I need to go in on this side. Whoa, bro! Are you kidding me? Okay, I hate this. I hate it. All right, hold on. Does it matter? Okay, if I push in from that side, it's tall. If I push in from that side, it's tall. It doesn't matter. And then it's square. So they're both going to be tall. I don't know. Guys, I'm tired of this. Honestly, I don't care. Yeah, no, it's a really good act. I mean, because you can tell, I don't know that much about magic, but I can tell how many different techniques he's doing even, right? How many times do I think he's practiced it? I don't know. It's insane though. Like, It's just insane. Okay, I don't like the rules are weird enough that I don't fucking care. Wait, why is that square now? Oh, it's not square, it's just tall. I just can't see the whole thing. Wait. Hold on. Because that was weird. Okay. So this is this way. That's tall boy. And then is it square if we go... It is square if they compensate. Do I want it to be at the corner for some reason? Like, okay, that's square, but I'm too big to go in. But if I was on the little side, but then I can't be on the little side and push the yellow. Like, okay. How big am I? Wait, I'm not square now. What? Why am I not square? But that is when it goes in the yellow. Oh, it's because I pushed it in the yellow first? Hold on, let's establish this. If it goes in the green first, then it's square too. But I'm not. Oh, because I'm in its frame of reference or whatever the fuck. I hate this. So, I can't even, like, fucking see. So, oh, well, that's fine. So if I did this, I would get out. Okay. So we just have to do this twice. Now the problem is, wait, what did I do? So I just did this. So, and then do I need to do it the other way around? Do I need to do it with green inside yellow? Like, I honestly don't know. Okay, what if the yellow... If the yellow was just on top, I suspect that doesn't work, right? Oops. Yeah. So we need, okay. So this is the thing. We need green inside yellow like this. Let's try that. Let's just verify that that's what we actually need. Right? So we go yellow. We go green inside yellow. Yes. Okay, so from here, we need yellow inside green. And this seems not possible, because we're butted into the corner. Did we have to be butted into the corner? No. No, we only had to be against the bottom middle, right? So, right, so we could do this. Oh, actually not even, right? Nope. Oh, dang it. Hold on. Let's not put the green in yet. Let's just do this. The easy clap. Okay, so that's there. That's there. Oh, Rick. Right, because I needed to be able to go in from a different side. So as not to push the goddamn thing. I forgot about that part. Now what if, so if I'm here, I'll just push it, right? Yeah, that's not good. So that's why I needed to be in the corner. Let me just look at this a little bit. Oh, nope. No. So, see here, I'm way too big for the yellow. But what if the yellow's outside? Maybe that's what I'm supposed to do. Is like, put these guys next to each other and then swap them? Question mark. Like, okay, what if... I mean, here I won't be able to move it, but okay, that's not right. Okay, so what if... See, if I'm in here, maybe that's just the right size. Problem. Well, we need to be on the bottom for that. Then that'll fucking... Alright, we're just gonna do this. Oh, that... Okay, that works. I was working too hard. Okay, so then... Oh, dude. Okay, guys, I forgot. I'm playing Patrick's Parabox. What was I thinking? This is Patrick's Parabox. It's Patrick's Parabox. Okay. Problem. There's 4 things, but that's okay. We go... Okay, problem. I need to push this into the corner to do this. So we don't do that yet. We do these 2. Right? Because we're playing... what game? We are playing Patrick's Parabox. Okay, I hate these levels now. All right. Who literally cares? Like, that last level didn't even really have anything to do with things being stretched. Like, none of my solution involved stretching in any way. It was just cosmetic. Okay. So we need... It's like that other one. So I can kick... Oh, boy. Infinity. I infinitied, guys. We're embedded in outer space is the problem. Okay, so I have this sideways thing. And what am I trying to do? Get blocks out, I guess. So this one is there, right? And then that's not good. So kind of once I push them down to the bottom row, they're stuck. But above the bottom row, they're not. That's bad. That's InfiniBand. Whoops. Right, and this restores the blocks because of the goofy rules. Don't forget about the goofy rules. Okay, so now my problem is that I am Patrick. Oh, but this is fine. It is fine for me to be Patrick in this case. All right. Stretching is important. It wasn't in that level. Maybe it is to keep good muscle tone. Okay. There's a box in a clone Dracula. Okay, so I can use this to skip forwards. All right. Okay. Yes. Oh, I got to put the clone Dracula. Oh. Dang it. I wanted to put the clone Dracula in the other box. Because I don't know what good it does me here. I can't push that way, but I can push. So what good does it do me now to go to the clone Dracula box? It doesn't. And now I'm hosed. So here's what we do. We go, why that one? Because it's the only other one. All right? And now we go to the clone Dracula box. Okay, and that is going to let me push from over there. Now, how far should I go is the thing. I feel like I should push it one more, but let's see. So I can't push there, but I can push here. So now I'm stuck forever. Which, like, I also don't understand. so Clone Dracula's there. See, I can't push from inside the Clone Dracula box in either direction. Otherwise, it would be an easier puzzle. What is the point? Okay, look, obviously I can just do this, right? Okay. I don't think this does anything, right? Okay, I really don't understand why this is the rule of what's happening even, first of all, but let's ignore that. Oh, that's it. Okay, I see. See, I just need... Right. See, I'm just supposed to get in there and get out. But I can't do it when the clone box is over there. And I can't, while this is dialed this way, I can't change where it is, right? I got to go over here and dial it that way. And they're not, like, there's just enough that they're not both exposed at the same time. So it's like, okay, I could push this way, I could push that way. I don't get it, because I got to leave the Clone Dracula exposed to use it. So, like, can I alter the cycle by even one somehow? I don't see how. Okay, hang on. Let's try going back over there. We're going to go there. We're going to put this Parabox in that Parabox. And then we're going to go in there. We're going to get the clone box. Now, once I go in that clone box, I cannot get out. That's the problem, right? Now, if I cycle it, I cannot get in. If I go over here, I control that side, which don't help me over here, right? You see what I'm saying? So unless there's some way to disrupt the order of the blocks, which it doesn't appear to be, then I don't know. I don't know. You know, Dr. Pete's soda is okay. I'm into it. I don't get it. Oops. I meant to do one. Oh, wait, this is pushing on the box as a whole. That's interesting. Like, it doesn't matter. I'm unable to affect anything in the universe. Okay, as soon as I go in the clone box, I am here now. I am trapped forever because my name is Patrick. Okay. What am I not using? I am not using... Maybe I could somehow push something into this clone box, and then I would push it out by getting in the main one, and that would make a gap. But I don't see a way to do that because everything's in a line. Wait, how is it this easy? What? Why didn't I just do that? Why did I think that wasn't possible? Sorry, guys, I'm dumb. Guys, I forgot what game I'm playing. I forgot what game I am playing. Oh my god. Okay, so no flips. We have a gap. We have to mind the gap. Oh, I can't do that. I get it. So we just have to deposit a spooce ball. Oh, but those have to be... Okay, never mind. So I need to be... two more to the right from this guy. Then I deposit the spooce ball. And then I need to be two more from that. Oops. Player. Wait. Now I've got holes in my head. That's an interesting idea. It's not that different from pushing a block that has holes in its head, though, you know. So I don't know about that. It's kind of cool, but also... Okay, so here I gotta go a different direction. Oh, nope, 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 nope. So I gotta go down to get that one. That can only be left and down. So this one's got to be up. This one's got to be right. This one's got to be down. That was actually pretty good, even though it was easy. Oh, now I've got a head like a hole, black as your soul. Better drink your soda before it goes flat. Okay. How does that work? All right. That was cute. Head like a hole, black as you. Oh, I did it wrong. Head like a hole, black as your soul. Trent Reznor soundtrack. Yeah. Okay. Let's think about whether that's really what we want. And now it's the same goddamn thing except sideways, because for some reason we think sideways makes it. Oh, whoops. Sorry, I thought that was the exit. I was bitching about. All right. It's a little different, but not really. Wait. Now I have to think about it, so it is different. So I have 3 blocks. I can't eat all the 3 blocks, but I have to eat all the 3 blocks. This is interesting, but I feel like I've got to use this. I have to put the lotion in the basket. Well, yes. I mean, okay. Okay. I'm a grid dude. I'm a grid dude. Oh, and then I gotta go. I mean, it's a little bit cute. Wait. I thought. Now what? I didn't think it through. I thought I was just trying to pick that up because I was like, oh, the exit. No, the exit is in the Patrick's Parabox. Wait. So I can't just go in? No. Okay, anyway. Whoops. So this lets me pick up that block. Why is that significant? It's pretty much the only thing I could do. Oh no, it doesn't even pick up the block, it pushes it. What am I saying? What am I saying? Okay. It pushes it because there's like nothing behind it. So I poop out a block. Do 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 do. So like, where do I want it? Oh, if it ended up on the right. Now that still wouldn't mean anything. See, if I had something behind me so that I couldn't poop the block, then it would go. Oh, I need to go into the thing though. Never mind. Okay. In my brain, I was like, oh, that's a place to put a crate, but it isn't. It is not a place to put a crate. So I need to somehow swap. Oh, right. Okay. Yeah, easy clap. So I need to swap that to the back. All right. Like that. And then like that. Okay, that's easy. Because then I poop out that block and go in. All right. Now there's a clone Dracula, I think. I think that's a clone Dracula. I don't know. And then that's a block, right? Yeah. So that's a clone Dracula. Oops. Okay, so I need to put this in there so I can push on the right places. No. I need it to be out there so I could push on the right places. All right, wait. I want it, okay, again, I want it in the back in the middle. Right? So, bro. Okay. Two can play at that game. I know the secret of the thing now. Okay, don't forget this is Patrick's Parabox. That is a good point, sir. Okay. I've got some things in my stomach and I've got to keep pooping. So what? That's no good. We gotta keep pushing it here. Okay, now this isn't gonna win me though. Because... Oh, no! Oh, because we're in the thing. All right, we got to do it here. Got to do it here, here, and here. And then I got to push the Parabox. And then... Now I'm fucked. So I need to get the top one to one below middle, and then I can scroll it like this. Okay. So before we do the clap, the easy clap, we need to do this a little more. Okay, easy clap. Then we do the Parabox maneuver. And then, you know, I probably could have done that a different way. Who knows? Okay, so easy clap, easy clap, easy clap. Oh, I skipped this one, I guess. So I am a clone Dracula now. $200 solved. Okay. So there is a clone Dracula in the corner where nobody can do anything with it. Except me. I can... What? Why? We don't want to put the clone Dracula in there. That was me forgetting which game I am. Oh no, we do. We do want to put it in there. But then we want to get it out of there before making a scene. All right? And then we put this here. And the reason we do that is so we can go into the clone Dracula and do that. Okay. This is a block with more blocks. Okay, so I could do that. And then I could do that. Oh no. All right. So obviously I can do that. Oh no, I can't. I go into it. Okay. So I can move that back to the middle anytime I want. And in fact, if it goes in a corner like up here, I can even do that. So that's great. So there we go. And then why am I doing this? I don't know. How do I pick up the yellow. I mean, it's got to involve getting the block over here. Oh, never mind. I forgot what game I'm playing, guys. It's Patrick's Parabox. Okay, clone zombie Dracula. No, we just have this. This is just a generic job that the authors of this made up for this. It's using the weird rule. So there, it's tiny. Okay. So we can't really, how would we go about like, so, okay, we need to eat that block with the thing. So how do we oh, never mind. No, we get it there, and then we scroll it. All right. Yeah. You gotta do sec 360s. Got it. Hope to get to learn how this was implemented someday. It's not that hard. It's a disaster if you try to use existing scene graph from an engine or something. I mean, maybe not a disaster, but it's annoying. But if you just implement it from first principles, it's not bad. Okay, so I want to eat this. No, I don't get to eat it. Okay, I want to eat that. No. No, all right. How do I disgorge blocky poos after eating them? So I can point left, I could point right. I ate a block. Now I have a block. There. I don't know how to get rid of it. Maybe I don't. Maybe I just had to do that. Okay. So now it's pointing left, but it is not in the mouth. So hold on. Yeah. I kind of want... Well... All I can really do is flip that left and right. Okay, so how do I get it out? Oh, wait. I know how. I do that. Oh, I just need to put a block in there. I was trying to get it out so I could walk in it Because in my brain, I confuse the goal with the frickin' block square. And who can blame me, because the goal is the block square with 2 eyeballs on it. All right, that's enough Patrick's Parabox for now. 204 solved. All right, well, thanks everybody. We are in the top 20% of gamers now. Easy clap. All right. I'm going to do a little bit of programming before bed, so we're going to switch to programming stream. Patrick's top 20%. Am I getting dude, I get taxed more every year. It's insane. It's insane. Poor Patrick the box. Poor Patrick the box. Okay, edit stream info. Changing the strings to programming. Boom. Software and game development. We are not tying the release of the compiler and the game together. They will just go on their independent trajectories, and they will be ready when they are ready. Because it's hard enough to do either one. We don't need to hold one up for the other one. Now, I had done this Lily move stuff, and then I was like, oh yeah, there's this packed Lily transaction stuff. Which I don't remember how that goes. So I probably have to save a bunch of these. Oh, God damn it. Is this a big thing? Where is it? Serialize? Packed Lily transaction is in packed. Oh, I made a file for it. That's good of me. Okay, it's a couple of arrays. Oh, my goodness. That's fine. It's not that bad. All right. Okay. So Okay. We're going to do the non-Lily transactions. Okay. Let's just copy this whole loop. Phase 1, do non-Lily transactions. Phase 2, do Lily transactions. Okay, so in the non-Lily transaction, we will do these in phase 2. Okay, and then phase 2, we did these in phase 1. Delete some stuff. All right. And actually, we want to do it this way. Okay, for group manager, Lily moving groups. Get move. It's get Lily move transaction. Group name. If continue, and then so we don't even need okay, so record packed Lily transaction sub group index. Okay. Okay, what a butt pain. This is going to explode. I think programming can be taught, learned later in life skill. Sure. Sure, but the earlier you start, the better you're going to be. Like with a lot of things. I mean, okay, with the caveat. And the reason I say that is just you have more practice. And there's something about, I don't know, when you're young, you have a lot of time to focus on stuff. But it's, yeah, I don't know. I also don't think it's the same as it's certainly not the same as like a physical sport or whatever. And it's also like, if there are other things that you could have done that are kind of mentally like programming a little bit that count as programming experience anyway, even if you didn't know what programming was, right? So like certain kinds of analytical thinking or whatever is the same. Okay. We get the Lily move transaction. If we don't have it, continue. If we're doing Lily compression, we pack it. Okay. And then we checked, is it initialized? Okay. And we say Lily transaction not equal to null. Okay, so we're going to do this a different way. See, here we were just finding it. Okay. Now we've got to go see, we do not necessarily have a mapping. All right. We're gonna say, instead of having a one Lily transaction scalar, okay, rewind. Rewind the tape. That's temp and array add that thing. So now we've got an array. It is supposedly in the same order now. See, I don't actually know, because I guess the remainder transaction gets added, I guess. All right, so if Lily transactions.count not equal to manager, Lily movement groups.count log error, undo doesn't match current level state, the system, the undo saved data wants Lily transactions, Lily groups, but we have whatever, and this, and this. Boom. So that's fine. Now, for all the Lily movement groups, we're only going to do this if they match. Easy clap. All right. So, okay, this is not Lily transaction anymore. Why are we doing this here? I kind of don't know why we're doing this separately. Wait. Remove Lily positions from the transaction, but we're unpacking. What? Why? I mean, I wrote this. Oh, restore, not remove. Guys, my brain did not brain. My brain did not brain. Okay. Okay. Let's see what happened with that. Well, deinit does not. Oh, yeah. 1222. Wait. Plural. Okay, I forgot to pluralize. Wait. Ah, fuck. Fuck. It just keeps going. So we save the number of Lily moves, and then we get packed. We save the move duration. God, why did I do all this? Okay, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Okay. Cool. We're going to want to bump that. History. Where I never undo state file version. It's in campaign. It's called undo state file version. It's 42, bro. 42. Okay, so we need the unserialize. See, we already have this. Not NAS. Redundant. Redundo Beach. This is -1, bro. Okay, so we get these things. All right. So version greater than or equal to 28, we don't give a shit because we're not loading anything older than 42 right now. Pack plural. Has packed lilies 598. Someday I'll hook up my editor. Num. All right. Not needed. Oh, okay, this could be a huge disaster. Probably is. It probably will go somewhere. All right. Well, we're in a level. Lilies are moving. That's great. Let's pick up the things. Let's figure out where to land in Fortnite. We can't see anything, so it's fine. Let's run. And okay. Somehow we broke that again. Which is weird because that was fucking working. Okay. That's got to get fixed. But I'm running around. And I go undo. Okay, yeah. So we don't reset everything. It's fine though, because what I want to do, I want to start. So if this breaks, it's actually kind of okay. Oh wait, the other lilies broke though. That's not kind of okay. They can't stop like that because all the levels will die. Did I do errors? The save data wants 1 lily group, but we have 2. Oh, because we might not. Yeah, okay. This is kind of ass. It's kind of ass. So that is not a valid check. when we save out the Lily transactions, we needed to say what index it is. We need to save the group index. It pulls a file for changes and runs some actions so you can set it up to build your project compile when you write a file set of files. Wow, who would ever think of such a thing? Let me ask you a question. How does it know that the changes are complete? How does it know that it's not trying to process a file mid-change? Okay. So it's maybe getting to be bedtime, but I want to make sure that I can check this in tomorrow before I get on an airplane. So let me just do a little bit more. Find it useful when you're writing basic programs. But no, here's what I'm saying, right? So like say you're using a text editor and you save out a new version of the file, right? That write is not atomic. Like it might modify many blocks of the file because who knows, especially if the file got shorter or something, like, I don't know, right? So you save your new text file that's like part of your program or something, and that gets flushed to disk. But none of these frickin' file system APIs let you express atomicity. And even the ones that do kind of lie about it, right? People who make databases come to this understanding that all these operating systems are lying about file atomics when they try to provide them. And you have to do a great deal to attempt to get around that, all right? So like it queues two different changes to your file and they end up going out at different times or whatever, right? And then what happens? Like you load and process the file between the first one and the second one. And now I'm not saying this to diss on the thing, because we do that. We detect changed files and load them in the game. We do sleep a little bit so that hopefully the file is done being handled, but like we don't have a way to know for sure, right? And so I'm just trying to say, for stuff that's super mission critical, it's not a reliable technique really, right? That's all. Be careful with it. Be careful with it. Okay. When we do this, so the reason, okay. This is annoying. So we kind of want, again, to say, like, to get the Lily transaction name, and we don't have a way to do that. We don't have a way to match the things. Yeah, I was assuming that we have one transaction per group, and it's not true. All right, so all this phase 1, phase 2 stuff is also bullpucky because oh, I don't know. It's maybe fine. Except it's not. Oh, see, we actually. I think it's actually bad to serialize the transactions in a different order, which is what we're doing here. We're kind of reordering them a little bit too. Maybe it's not bad. I think we sort them every frame. It's just this whole thing that I did, it doesn't actually make sense. All right, so let's put this back. We're gonna do this. And then, okay, so, whoops. So when we're in here, we need the group index. And we're just going to store it. We're just going to store it on the move transaction right now. It's just 1 byte. I'm sure we have space for it. We have a float. We have some flags. All right. I'm going to say Lily transaction group index is a U8. Really? S8. I don't think we use this version, but maybe we do. We'll see. Okay. So that's going to go in this hole behind our flags. So now okay, so we need group indexes. Okay, group index on the Lily movement group. We set it when we make it, and then we say group index t.lily transaction group index. Let's set it to -1. Assert your group index greater than or equal to 0. You better have initialized it, my man. All right. So add the remainder over to there, which is possibly empty. Okay. Pack Lily transaction. T remainder transaction. And then I don't know if we need to do that. That's fine. Okay. So then where did group index come from here? I guess I just deleted it. Okay. Oh no, group index is over the iteration. Right. Yes. Lily transact. Okay. So I need to find a. Yes. Okay. So first, let's get rid of this. Let's not confuse ourselves, and then we want to say. If it dot Lily is it, did I call it? Yeah, that's not a good name. Anyway, if that is equal to group index t equals it break if no t continue. Okay. Then we unpack the Lily transaction. Okay. When we save out these guys, Um, we actually want to save it out. All right. And we're just going to get rid of this. Numpack transactions is an S8. Okay, is initialize. This is going to be a little confusing. Okay, hold on. Before we forget this, let's bump this again. All right, so numpack Lily transactions. No, because the packed Lily transaction has to have the group index 2. Where was that? I was in packed lilies. Okay. So now let's go pack Lily transaction. Pack.group index equals assert pack.group index. Look at all this grunt work I'm doing, guys, just to do this thing. Oh yeah, XXX, this is not correct. That's real good. Yeah, we're not even close to done here. Okay. Okay. Okay, and then Linear move. Okay, we have to save out the group index is right after right there. Okay. Group index. Okay, numpact. It's gonna go like this. Same variable name. Record dot numpact. Lily transactions is numpact. Not redundant. Not redundant. How many are actually packed as opposed to how many there potentially would be. So we get the group index and all that stuff. All right. So what about that? This is not correct part. All right. Now, when we're getting them from the record, we add to the Lily. Okay, wait. One more. The group index, here we're only packing it. This is weird. Okay. Yeah, that's right where we were, just making sure. Okay. So we get all the Lily transactions that are active for all of those. We say group index is, no, we don't do this. We say group index is t.lily transaction group index. Assert that's greater than or equal to 0. Wait. We unpack. No. There, and then for 0 num packed minus 1. What? Okay, hold on. Let's finish this part. We do all the moves. Okay, that's fine. Maybe. Probably not. But okay, so we go back here. This was called Lily Transaction Group Index. Yeah, I guess we auto-serialize. Nervous. Nervous. Nervous Burvis. Pack.group index. Equals T dot Lily transaction group in no T. Oh. Transaction. Oh boy. All right. Well, at least even if it blows up, I got a bunch of grunt work done. Even if it launches the nukes, at least we had our Patrick's Parabox tonight. Okay. Boom, boom. Of course, I told it not to load our save because I bumped the version number, so that's great. And then I'll go shh. And why doesn't that work? I don't know. Oh! And then 1137. Group index is greater than or equal to 0. When we undo, oh, because copy move transaction probably doesn't do this. We're going to have to rename this variable. Should this be called Lily Group Index? It's fine, whatever. Okay, that's not remotely the only problem. What's the game about? Blocks. We're making a game about blocks. Oh man, we're back here. Okay. I should put myself right there. Okay, that still doesn't work. Okay, let's try now. There we go. I'm moving. They're bouncing. I'm undoing. And okay, they don't see, we're loading a transaction and then we just don't continue it running. So that's a win in my book. We'll figure this other part out tomorrow. Like, I think we actually did all that stuff well enough. Like, they're ending up in the right place. So what do you want from me? Hefty Beast Blocks, man. That's the name of the game. I've been wondering what to call it. Hefty Beast Blocks. I have a feeling he'd fool even Penn and Teller. I mean, he does so much stuff, dude. Right? He does so much stuff and he does it like so excellent. It's like nonstop. He's like just doing. Heroes of Sokoban would be a good name for the entire game. No, because nobody knows what the fuck Sokoban means, and nobody knows why anyone would care about Heroes of Sokoban. Like if you're a puzzle gamer, that's a cool name. But also, you know, we're starting to think about like what's the fiction behind the game as a whole, and yeah, I have some ideas about that now. Yeah, nobody knows what the word Sokoban means unless you're in Japan. And then people are like, why is that fun? Okay. We're going to close it down. with some easy clapping. All right. Easy clapping words. And then I'll go to bed. Done. Easy clapping words. Words. Swole. That was pretty good. Swole. You got to start with swole now. Okay. Pinch. Oh, why did I put an E? That was stupid. Okay, so shake. We got our Harlem Shake. We got our spill. We got scram or scrap. We've got swoon again. We've got, it's not shall, it's not spall. Stall? Right? Probably stall. Probably valid again. Because this game loves the fucking word valid. Like, either the dictionary is so small or just, I don't know. It's written by internet argumenters. Poor random number generator, possibly. How do we have nothing for that word there? We've got to get 3 and 4, and one of them is frickin'. We're going to do scram. Okay. Literally, the word scam was not in there. Uh-oh. Snow. Oh, I knew it wasn't W. I might have just lost. Which, see? So bad. Why did I put W again? Snow. Snowy. Okay. One try here. RNT. Burnt. Easy clap. Burnt. Easy clap. Oh, I knew that wasn't T at the end. Dang it, that was a bad letter. Let's. S, it's probably T. S T I L E. Stole or style? Oh, we don't know if it's stole or style. We're not going to do that again, guys. How about over here? Spill, probably, or yeah, spill. All right. We need an O or an I. Or no, an O or a Y. Is this triad? Rise of the triad? No. They didn't give us an O. Oh, I already had A. Why? What am I doing? Okay, where are we at? We've got 7 for 7. Oh my God. Okay, this is bad. This is, I done fucked up. Drain, right? Easy clap. Tiara. Easy clap. There's no vowel in the DR something something P. So it's got to be droop, right? Because we don't have an O. So it's not DRP. So boom. So it's stole. Boom. Now we got to get 3 for 3. We got 3 for 3. AR L could be. How do we not even have used this many letters yet? Oh my God, this is rough. This is rough. 3 for 3 with so many letters not even try. I don't know what I was doing, guys. I have to apologize. A and T. We have a word that we know has A and T in it. That's great. That's really helpful. Could be alarm. Could be Clark. Could be Flurry. I'm thinking alarm, unless we have a 2 A's up already. Oh, we do. Oh, it is alarm, because look, we have 2. And it's not there. It's A-lar. A-lar. See, I looked at the letter data this time, guys, which I sometimes don't do. All right. Okay, we have an N. It's probably right after the U. I think it's funky. Because I've seen that word before. Maybe it's gunky. Maybe it's funny. Do we have a 2N? We don't know. Do we think funny or funky? All right. Not funny? Oh, right, because there's no N there. Thank you, looking at the letter data. So it's probably funky or junky. We don't have the luxury to guess. Or hunky. Pretty sure I've seen hunky as well in this game. I think the one on the left is catch. Okay, guys, do we do funky or hunky? Or junky? I'm going to go funky because dang it. I knew it was one of them. All right. FATTY. All right. Hunky. I picked the wrong one. All right. That's what I get for being... I made too many mistakes. All right, we got 1 and 2. We got both our ends. All right. Cool, cool. Flank or blank or... Do we have an S in the last slot? No. Do we need an S? No. Drank. It's Frank. Or crank. Dang it. All right. That's fine because we got a lot. We confirmed our unks. It's not too bad. Donut. What else could that be? All right. Easy donuts. Delay, probably. On the right. No, it's not delay because L. We don't have L. I looked. Guys, I looked at the letters. Okay. Clank or flank? Drank or frank or crank? This game is totally... We need a CF disambiguation or B for one of them. So we need a word with both C and F. that lets us try some letters. And I'm thinking focus, but that's too redundant elsewhere. Flock. I mean, the K we already have, but I think we need chafe. That's not bad. That's a rather good idea. The A is a waste, but the C, no, because the H is a waste also. We already have it. Yeah, that's too much waste. So Filch has an H. I was thinking of something before you said that, and now I don't remember now. No, I do not think the C++ STL is very good. That is a drastic understatement. Cruft. So that gives us U and F and C and R in the second slot, which we don't need. That's a waste. T in the last slot, which is a waste. It's 2 wasted letters. You know what? We could just go for one of them. Because if we're going to waste that many letters... You know what? Okay. Just wanted to get that out there. Get a little salad. So D, E, but not L. I don't know. I don't know what that word on the right is, guys. Oh, DK, right. I didn't. Okay. So now we got a C, and neither of those 2 words has C, and we got it for free. So it's not crank. It's maybe Frank. And that's it. There's no Marank or Drank or Vrank. So we can do Frank, and then that tells us if it's flank or blank. And it's flank. How did we get Frank and flank in the same game? Like, who's deciding those words? This is value, right? Is there a malu or a value or an eolux or a zalu? Value to the people. Value to the people. P I peak. Really? All right. Peak. Oh, we're in good shape now. We've got, well, rumor, right? Führer. Wait, there's no F, right? Juror. Easy clap. Juror. Plink. Watch. We got a lot of W's. We got a surprisingly number of W's. Sworn. No. Oh, we got 2 R's. Wario. Oh, we got 2 RRY words. Furry. Are the furries invading? No. Fairy. Probably fairy or berry. Or Mary. We need FBM disambiguation. Okay. WWOWN. Grown. Brown. Or drown. Dude, we have so many doubles. Okay, this is a problem now. We're back. We need 1 for 1 starting now. One on the right could be pride. Could be prize with a Z. Could be prime. Damn it, dude. So many things. Okay, grown, brown, drown, frown. That's a lot that could be. What is wrong with this game? Okay, dowry. No. But we know where the W is. We know this one on the left is XOXWY. No, it's not W there. Sorry, I put it in the wrong place. W, right? So, Downy? No, because we have N. Dowdy? Is it anything but dowdy? I already said down and brown and drown and frown and crown and we did see. I think it's, let's try this. Easy clap. Okay, we got drown. You know what? For moral support, because we know that word, like, the game should just frickin' give us that word at that point, right? This is stupid that it doesn't. So we're going to see if we can bring it in. Okay, pride. Pride. Unless it's Prita Kahlo. Okay. Jewel. Easy clap. River? No. Oh, there's no. T-I. Timer? I've seen the word timer in this game before. Could also be Terry. I like timer. Even though if it's wrong, we're dead. Is this frickin' one hippie again? I'm going to guess hippie again. And that gives us the I. So it's T-I something ER, right? It could be tighter. But I think timer is more likely. Okay. It's not. It is ERRY. It's not Mary. It could be Barry or Ferry. And that's it. And we don't have time. It's one of those two. Is it Barry or Ferry, guys? 50-50. We should have two moves if this game was any good. I'm going to go for Barry. Dang it. See, it's claims we lost, but there we go. All right. So now we get to do the daily. Daily. Okay. No? Video games. Spike, spine. This is pretty good. We're doing okay. Above. No. Oh, I took a die. Okay, we got a B, which was weird, but that was bad. That was bad. Okay. Spine or spike. Munch. All right. Spice. Spice Girls. All right. It's alone. Or a node. No, because there's no D. But there's no L. A tone. Easy clap. All right. Slurp. This game loves the word slurp. I don't fucking know what its problem is. All right. SPUTE. Upset. 50-50 mine after spending 20 minutes clearing the entire grid. Yeah. Aunt. Gaunt or jaunt. Could be either one. Spice Girls, we got that one. Shoal or I think no, there's no S. Hole, WHOLE. Boom. I don't know. We've got 5 for 4. It's not bad. And one of them is spice. And one of them might be gaunt or could be taunt. Honestly. Do we need a T anywhere else? No. I don't know. I don't know. This B word, it feels like it starts with B. Or it's knob or nib. And before it could be taunt. Yes, it could also be other things. This could be at least 3 different words. Taunt because it has a T. It has a T at the end. Guys. Bro. Bro. I don't know. I kind of want to get more letters out for my one word, but I'm not going to be able to make a word without using some of these vowels. So what if we try to place the O in some of these other letters? Like we could say foggy, but that's kind of a waste. It's a waste of a Y and it kind of sucks. Idiom. I mean, that helps with the M and the O, but not the I's a waste. Probably both I's are a waste. We want a G. We want a G. So, we could do gonad and then, well, the N is a waste and the D is a waste. How about gopher? The R is a waste. The E is a waste. Ugh. Ghost, that's a completely horrible. Why would we do ghost? Well, no, that's good. Actually, ghost gives us H and G. Actually, but the problem is the O and the S and the T are all a complete waste. It's too costly. See, if we do foggy, also we know this word isn't haunt, so it's really, is it G? We get F and G out. Or we say logos. But the L and the S are a waste. Kind of. But we do a lot of O location with that. Bingo, actually, I'm not convinced that word is bingo, but I like that as a guess word because we just need a G and an O with no other waste. Let's try it. It might even be it. It was. And that gives us our G. It's not gaunt. It's not haunt. It could be jaunt, and it could be taunt. Still is our problem. So that didn't give us a lot of O as well. If we do logos, it definitely tells us where that O is. Is it idiom? It's idiom, isn't it? Idiom. Okay. Okay. We have room to do taunt and jaunt. What if it's faunt, F-A-U-N-T? I don't think that's a word. No. So it's taunt or jaunt. Easy clap. That is good with the bingo. Good with the bingo. All right. I'm tired, but we'll do Wordle. Okay. No, it's not an S. Layer. Whoops. Oh my God. I mistyped the... What am I doing? It's a W there. What is it? It's not an A. It's a U or another E. Something something W-E-R. Can't believe I made that mistake. Sewer. But we have S. Hewer, that's not really a word. Newer. Gabe Newer. All right. Fewer. Gabe Fewer. All right, easy clap. Even with the mistake, it's Gabe Fewer. In honor of Gabe Fewer, we just fire hose our first word on V's, which are useless. The full Monty. Realm. Party. Splits. Poker. Easy clap. Okay, now let's do the fun times. The daily here. It drops keystrokes, guys. Power. All right. Easy clap. Could be fewer right there. Yep. So that gets us 2 E's in case anyone else has 2 E's. Doesn't appear so. So mower or rower down there. Or dower. Let's get A and Y in there. Okay. Very. Close. No. Chose. Easy clap. Torch. Touch. Easy clap. It's row. No. We don't know if it's rower unless we do a 2, but we have a P. Oh, we did P. It's not power. It could be mower. Child, boom. Okay. It could be, I don't know, it could be tiara again. Or short. Could be short. Wait, no, because we have H out. No. And there's no O in the second. Or there's no, yeah, sorry. Getting tired. Night mode. Oh, yeah. Boom. Oh, that's so much better. Why doesn't it just come up that way? Why are web people bad? Okay. Although actually the contrast here is a little bit wrong. The gray is too bright. The gray squares, it's hard to read the text. Stork. Dude, it flips to day mode every time. Oh, okay. Okay. Maybe I'll click off it. Maybe the enter did that. Web. Surer. Or Sumer, yeah. I don't know. If we guess Sumer, we could guess mower. Let's see where we're at. We need 1, 2. We need 10. How many guesses do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 12. Easy clap, maybe. Flame. Flame. Okay. That's going to be clink, but how about this? It's not M for mower. It's probably rower or gower. Dang it. So this isn't click. It's clink. We have the N. Boom. Boom. So something TILE. Utile. That's an odd one. Okay, resistance is utile. This is cheat. Easy clap. Easy clap. It's not tiara because there's no R. So it's not Sumer. It's not super. I think it's surer. Right? Like what else? Do we need other R's somewhere? Waif. Awful. think we do, but easy clap. Got that out of there. So we now need 4 more. We have 6 turns. Yeah, this has 2 R's, so it's surer. All right. I didn't think about rower having 2 R's as what we needed to query. Tiger. A L. There's definitely L here because it's not in those. A L. It's probably not H here, so it's probably HAL have. Have. It wasn't valve. If we had started with valve in honor of Gabe Newer again, that would have been the awesome guess right there. That would have been amazing. Okay. I mean, we need 2 in 4. OVE. ROVE. Karl Rove. Drove? Grove. It's Grove. Easy clap. We need 1 in 3. There's no TI and A. Okay, TI. And maybe some more A and T. What? We sure there's no A in there? There's literally no A. Okay, there's no T here or here. If there's another T, it's literally in the middle. Oh, it's Titan without the N. It's Taita. Someone saying tibia. Easy clap. Easy clap. I thought it was Taita. All right. That is bedtime for me. Thank you, everybody, for coming by. We've done some programming. We've done some other things. Have a good evening. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.